it's a nice mix of rural meets very modern. जैसे ताश की पत्तों में जोकर होता है. Rowdy being such a big hit is always a plus point. जब पिक्चरें फ्लॉप होती थी तब भी वो सेम था, पिक्चरें हिट हो रही है तब भी वो सेम है.
We have this Farah Khan who's turning a producer once again with Joker. Releasing
my first film as a producer.
First film as a producer. Great.
My first time my name will come as a producer. Tismar Khan was Shirish's name as producer.
Right. And your three children.
Three's company. A company. Yes, after the three children.
Okay. And you've been looking for a good mall for your children these days, but have you been able to just find it out?
A good mall, like a gangster's mall.
No. For taking
a mall to take them out. Finally, Faridun, I took them. When I was taking them, there were bomb scares in the malls. Right, remember recently? So normally I take them to the new Infinity, and the old Infinity which is there, and that's about it. I took them to Dubai. They had a blast for 8 days.
Malls are fantastic.
And everything else. I mean, Dolphin Bay, and they had a blast.
First look trailer of Joker is coming out on 12th of July. Tell us what people can look forward to in the promo.
I think Faridun, the movie की जो कहानी है वो काफ़ी ऐसी, मतलब उसका कोई precedent नहीं है कि इस फिल्म से मिलती है. It's completely based in rural India. लेकिन it has a lot of science fiction in it. There's crop circles and aliens and UFOs. So it's a nice mix of rural meets very modern. और जोकर में हमने थोड़ा intrigue और थोड़ी mystery रखकर I think Bini Pada and Ravi, who are the #1 trailer makers in our country, they've made the trailer, and I'm hoping people get excited and they're curious to watch the movie. See, वो in your face slapstick comedy या ऐसा कोई ट्रेलर नहीं है, बट आई थिंक इट विल इंटरेस्ट यू. You'll say कि क्या हो रहा है देखना है. हाँ
बिल्कुल. The story is based in a fictitious town called Paglapur, I believe. Yes. So tell us more about the entire Paglapur element into it, and the way Shirish has. We would like to speak to Shirish as well, if possible.
Yeah, and even Prime Focus, but
okay. And what exactly is Paglapur all about?
I think Paglapur is a गाँव in India which has been forgotten on the map. जो इंडिया के मैप में गुम हो गया है. वो जब ब्रिटिश मैप बना रहे थे तो वो उसको ओवरलुक कर गए. तो अब वो 3 स्टेट से सराउंडेड है, लेकिन कोई भी स्टेट का हिस्सा नहीं है. एग्जैक्टली जैसे ताश की पत्तों में जोकर होता है. जी. वो ताश की पत्तियों का पार्ट तो होता है, बट ही डजंट बिलोंग टू एनी वन कलर. So the Joker in the title is actually the village in the movie, which is Paglapur.
Akshay Kumar, he is just on the peak of his career right now. 200 crore movies, blockbusters, and his pairing with Sonakshi Sinha has been appreciated a lot in Rowdy Rathore. Is that the reason why the movie has been preponed?
That you'll have to ask UTV. But I think कि 31st को हमें लगा कि अच्छा डेट है और film would be ready by then. Visual effects हो जाएंगे, and there was no need to delay it anymore. Right. So, and I think Rowdy being such a big hit is always a plus point. जब when audiences like a pair, they want to see them again together. So we are very happy. I mean, we were the happiest when Rowdy did very well, because हमें फ़ायदा ही होगा उस pairing से. Right.
Akshay, considering that his star status has suddenly changed, there's I think a 360-degree change to it. Any changes to the final edit?
Not really, because नॉट रियली. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमने एक आइटम था होगा अक्षय का, जो उसका जो कैरेक्टर है फिल्म में वो ही रखते हुए फिल्म बनी है. सो नो, एंड आई थिंक नो चेंज इन अक्षय ऑल्सो. आई नो हिम फ्रॉम मोर देन 20-25 years नाउ, एंड ही इज़ द सेम. जब पिक्चरें फ्लॉप होती थी तब भी वो सेम था, पिक्चरें हिट हो रही है तब भी वो सेम है. हाँ.
Considering that the last film that you guys did with Shirish, Tismar Khan, many people had certain reservations about it. Have you taken any lessons from that, in terms of just maybe some people felt that it was a bit overdone?
A life lesson from it, Faridun. So no, I think of course Joker was a script that was written earlier. It's completely different from Tismar Khan. It's not your in your face, like I said. It's not your slapstick comedy. It's got intrigue, it's got mystery. It's a different genre, and you can only learn, but you can't change your filmmaking because one film doesn't do well. I mean, then you're fully confused. I have learned a life lesson from Tismar Khan. As to what people expect from my films, maybe I didn't give them that in Tismar Khan. Sure. But Janeman, I think the way it was shot, technically beautiful, and I think Joker, I think one step ahead of that, and music even better.